3 Korean silent vloggers you should subscribe to on YouTube. Silent vloggers do not talk to the camera directly, but they communicate with their audience through subtitles. The first Korean silent vlogger whom I follow is known as Jeongkoong. She prepares meal in between her classes. She is a student. Her videos are so addictive and it's very relaxing to watch. She mainly makes food vlogs. The second silent vlogger whom I follow is known as Nebom. Her daily vlogs circle around the day-to-day vlogs and making delicious food items and enjoying them at the end of the day. The third Korean silent vlogger whom I follow is known as Hegrindal. She is a stay-at-home mom who cooks delicious food items and films them aesthetically. It's very addictive to watch her vlogs. So these are the 3 silent vloggers whom you should follow, and I hope that you like this shorts.